días. We are in Gondava. It is a dinosaur park here in Villa de Leyva. Villa de Leyva is known for its fossils. So we're going to explore 38 dinosaurs here. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yes! What dinosaur are you most excited to see?
I don't know. We'll have to find out. Guys, guess what? You can look at the naked one mammoth.
Oh.
Coffee.
Ooh, that guy was not lucky. Alright, you're supposed to be able to ride that thing. Okay, so there's a Spinosaurus that you can get in its mouth and it lifts you up. And I'm contemplating if I should do it or not because I'm a little scared of heights, but I also YOLO, right? What's that? Whoa. Look at what you're doing.
What do you call those? This too?
This is super cute. They have an excavation zone and some little playground equipment, so it's a nice little midway point to stop, and this is all included in the price, which we love that.
Hey, I think I feel something here.
What is that?
Velociraptor.
Yeah.
Eating some iguana.
Made it.
Whoa. The crocodile.
Whew.
I like the color.
Nobody told us there'd be a hike. Whew.
Okay.
If you're coming here, make sure you bring water. Yes, it is a walk.
Shouldn't have gone to exit.
Why? You tired? Yeah. We are in the fossil museum right now, so this is extra, or you can buy it as a combo with your ticket. I think this is really cool. Oh, and look who's on top of me. Ah! One thing that is very important to note is this place is not very accessible. It's not stroller nor wheelchair friendly. A lot of the terrain is rocks and branches and everything coming out of the ground. And if you do buy tickets to the fossil museum, like you saw, we were struggling. It is steep with a lot of steps, so just keep that in mind. Make sure you bring water, but unfortunately stroller and wheelchairs are not accessible here.
My wife le dio miedo. She was scared. She wasn't scared to get on this little thing. So everything is content.
It's not little, it's humongous.
There you go.
Santi, you're gonna do it? Hey, sobreviviste. You survived.
I don't know if I recorded. I wasn't ready. Oh my god.
How did it feel?
That was very rough.
Like you like it?
I liked it. I mean,
It was funny.
Woo!
I mean, it's a good thing that I did it. I think you would have died up there. It's a little bit rough, yeah. And then you're swinging, and then
Oh, the
you're
upside down.
high, and you're sort of upside down, I guess.
Well, that was an adventure. This was cool. This was better than I thought it was going to be. I didn't know what to expect. I thought it was going to be like a crazy tourist trap, but it was actually pretty interesting. So what do we think?
We survived.
Do we like it?
No.
Why not?
Because it's so scary. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, it's not scary at all. Scary if you get on that thing.
Scary if you get on the Spinosaurus.
Other than
And I
that-
think the fossil museum because it was dark, but it was fun. It was cool, right?
You liked it? Show them what you got.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. You heard it here first.
Let's go.
And so,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite dinosaur.
ooh, I like
Good one.
that.
See you guys.
Ciao.
Bye.